In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendwave account. So if you're ready to get started with Sendwave, which is a fantastic app for sending money across borders effortlessly, let's dive right in and go through each step together. First things first, we'll need to open the Sendwave app. If you haven't done so already, download the app from your app store and tap on the icon to open it. Once you have the app launched, you'll be directed to the homepage where you can begin the registration process. Next, you'll need to input some basic information to start creating your account. On this screen, you'll see fields asking for your full name, your email address, and your phone number. Make sure to enter this information accurately, as it is crucial for setting up your account correctly. Below these fields, there's usually a drop-down menu where you can select the country you're registering from. Choosing the correct country is vital, as it may affect the services available to you. Once you've filled in your details, you'll see the Sign Up button appear. Go ahead and tap on that. This action will submit your information, and you'll be one step closer to creating your Sendwave account. Afterwards, Sendwave will prompt you to verify your mobile number. This is a security step to ensure that the number belongs to you. Check your phone for a text message containing a verification code and enter it into the verification field within the app. If you don't see the message, give it a minute or so, and don't forget to check your spam or junk messages just in case. Moving on, it's time to create a unique PIN. This PIN is crucial as it enhances the security of your account, preventing unauthorized access. Choose something memorable yet secure. Once you've decided on your PIN, you'll be prompted to confirm it by re-entering the same PIN again. This step ensures there are no typos in your PIN and that you remember it correctly. Finally, after these steps, your account setup is complete, and you'll receive a confirmation message within the app affirming that your Sendwave account has been successfully created. From here, you can start exploring the app and its features like adding beneficiaries or initiating your first transfer. And there you have it. You now know how to create a Sendwave account from scratch. I hope this guide was helpful, and you're now all set to make the most of Sendwave's services. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to consult their support page for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy sending!